Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yoyis, and here on my channel I like to do things a little different. I am a makeup and lash artist in Las Vegas, so I do makeup Mondays for all you girls who prefer makeup tutorials, and I do Lash Friday videos for the girls who prefer, to know a little bit more about lash extensions. So for today's Lash Friday video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I set up and organize for my clients. So I'm just starting off and showing you guys how I set up my pillow. And I'm just taking a regular dental bib. Most of you guys know what these are. And I use this to pretty much cover my pillow over where my lash client's head will go. And now I'm taking 2 towels, and I got this in a pack of 20 to 25 towels in Home Depot. It came in a big pack for like $7. And I like to put one over my acrylic tray. That way my lash tray is not scratching it up or making a lot of noise, and in case I do put my tweezers on there, it will just protect everything. And then with the second one, I like to put this over my client's head. That way I'm not rubbing off their makeup or sweating all over them. So this is how I set up my lash pillow. And for my actual bed, it's very basic. I just use any throw blankets. These ones I found at Ross and Home Goods, and I just put a pillow underneath their legs to elevate their hips. That way they're feeling extra comfy. So now let's talk about my lash cart. If you guys have seen my organizational lash cart video, then you're probably wondering, well, she's doing things a little different. And yes, like I keep saying, I'm always changing things up, and right now this way is working best for me. So right now I'm just taking another dental bib just for cleanliness. I always make sure I disinfect and wipe down everything before I start and after my client leaves. So as you can see, I placed my Lash Bunny fan, and now I'm taking a big jar of hand sanitizer. It is the most important thing because with the whole coronavirus, you have to make sure that your hands are cleaned and sanitized at all times. So now I'm taking my XOXO lashes primer and sealer. These are a must-have if you want good retention. And now I'm placing my glue shaker. It's actually a brush cleaner, but I use this to shake my glue, and honestly it has saved me so much time. So I highly recommend getting a brush cleaner and use it as a glue shaker. And this is the Lashbox LA magnifying glasses. If you're not into big bulky magnifying glasses, then I highly recommend getting these from Lashbox LA. And of course you need any kind of Tic Tacs or mints or gum, whatever you prefer. That way you have fresh breath at all times. And now I'm going to be taking my lash bath. I do have a video on how I make my lash baths and aftercare kits, so if you want to see that, I'll have a link down below. Since you're going to be washing your client's lashes and you need water, I use the XOXO lashes bottle, and I just use regular water. You could use any bottle as long as you have water. It's totally okay. I just prefer this XOXO lashes bottle. It's very cute and very convenient for me. And now I'm taking the Jenna lens, which is what I use to take the bomb shots that I have on my Instagram. If you guys have been wondering how I take good pictures, then I highly recommend you checking out XOXO Lashes, the Jenna lens. It's pretty much just a little clip-on attachment for your camera. And then of course my all-time favorite glue, which is the XOXO Lashes Stay a While glue. If you're looking for a glue with bomb-ass retention, then I highly recommend getting the XOXO Lashes Stay a While glue. I'll have the link down below, that way you guys can purchase it. I'm just using 3 types of tape, and each one of these tapes has a different purpose. I am going to be making a video on tapes and what I use each one for, so if you guys do want to see that, then let me know down below. And now I'm just going to be grabbing my little glue stickers, and this is what I use to put my glue dots in. And I'm also going to be grabbing lint-free wipes. I normally just use one for each client, but I grabbed 2 just in case, because sometimes accidents happen. So make sure to always be prepared with lint-free wipes. That way you could clean off your glue bottle and you're not having your glue building up. And now I'm reaching for a brush spoolie, 2 lip applicators. I use these to clean my client's lashes, and then I take 2 little micro swabs to prime their lashes. And then the white little brush, it was very hard for me to actually find it, but I used this to seal their lashes. I used a XOXO lashes sealer, and honestly it has changed everything for me. I'm also placing a face mask on my card just because with everything going on, you need to make sure that your face is covered at all times. And I'm also going to be using my favorite iPads, which are the Lion Lash. Honestly, I have not found any iPads that work as good as the Lion Lash. They're just, I don't know, something about them. I just love them so much, especially for it being a good Amazon find. I highly recommend these pads. For the price, you can't beat the price. They're really good. So I was taking my tools out of the sterilizer because you need to make sure that your tools are 100% disinfected and sterilized, because you don't want to be lashing with dirty tools. That is a big no-no. It's like a makeup artist using dirty brushes on their clients. It's really nasty. And I always keep a marker around just because I tend to do a lot of really different styles all the time. So I keep a marker around just to be able to map out my sets. It's just very convenient for me. And right here I'm just going over everything that I have placed in my cart. As you can see, it's pretty much everything you need. And I used to keep everything on my bookshelf. If you have seen my lash cart organization video, I talked about how I used to keep everything on my bookshelf and I would just reach for whatever I needed at the moment. But I feel like this way it's more convenient for me now, especially now that my bookshelf is not behind me. It's more to the side now. I mean, it's still reachable, but I feel like now with my cart being right next to me, I'm just able to get what I need at the time when I need it. Like I say in every of my videos, I like to change things around. I just feel like it works better for me to be able to change things around and experiment to see what works better for me. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. I wanted to show you guys real quick how fast and easy it is for me to set up and the way I have everything organized. So if you guys like today's video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe. Your support means the world to me. And let me know down below what you guys would like to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.